Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you how you can buy PEIPEI, the Chinese version of PEIPEI, in a very simple way. I will be using Maxi.com. This is an exchange that doesn't require KYC and I think it's pretty easy to use. This is the homepage of PEIPEI. I'm also going to leave all the links in the description. So let's begin. After you register, if you don't have an account on Maxi.com, this is what you will most likely gonna see, the homepage of Maxi. But let's say you're a complete beginner. You don't have any crypto or you never ever bought crypto. The first thing that you have to do after creating your account is buying some USDT with dollars or euro or whatever currency you're using. You also have many options over here. It's very important that you have USDT in your account, because without USDT you can't buy PEIPEI. If you want to use a different website when purchasing USDT, let's say you want to buy USDT from Coinbase, it's again super simple. All you have to do is send your USDT from Coinbase to Maxi. And this is the following procedure when you're sending currency to Maxi. You go to your wallet, you go to spot, you type USDT, and then you click deposit. Make sure the correct crypto is selected, and of course, very important, the network. Usually it's the ERC20. It's very important that you're using the right network when you're sending USDT from any exchange to Maxi.com. After receiving your USDT, let's say you already have the USDT in your account, all you have to do is go to spot and then go to spot trading. Over here I have PEIPEI already showing on the chart. Most likely for you it will be Bitcoin. I see PEIPEI because that was the last coin I was searching for before the video. When you have this screen of PEIPEI, also I want to show you that PEIPEI is very easy to find. You just have to type it and it shows up immediately. You scroll a little bit down and this is what we need, the buy and the sell option. Now in this video we want to buy, so all we have to do is click market order, click here and type the amount of USDT that you want to spend for PEIPEI. Let's say you have 100 USDT worth $100. You type 100, the number 100, and then you click buy PEIPEI. And with that being said, now you have PEIPEI. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.